This small Japanese word is used all the time. The word do, it means how or how about. We use it to ask how something is, how to do something, or someone's opinion, asking about method or condition. For example, 仕事はどうですか?仕事はどうですか? How is your work? 昨日の打ち合わせはどうでしたか?昨日の打ち合わせはどうでしたか? How was your meeting yesterday? よかったらコーヒーでもどうですか?よかったらコーヒーでもどうですか? How about coffee if you like? 今度ランチでも一緒にどうですか?今度ランチでも一緒にどうですか? How about having lunch together next time? You will heard do in daily conversation, question, casual speech. If you want to speak Japanese naturally, start using words like do every day. Now is your time to practice. How do you say this in Japanese? How was it? The first joy. どうですか?どうですか? The second joy. どうでしたか?どうでしたか? Which one do you think is correct? Please comment your answer below.